Mr. Olive.
Oh, by the way, there is one holding the camera. This is Mr. Yeah, VIP. And you can see the suit. Man, he looked like $1 million. Actually, we came from that place, so we had a lot of fun. And then now we are crossing the street. Yeah, I think
This is a China.
Yeah, I think he does. He eats. So we're crossing.
Yeah,
so
you're crossing. You crossing and no problem, man. Mr. Rijaz, looking is so nice, and me together, trillion. You're looking is no, trillion. No trillion. Say $1,000. Oh no, not a money. Journalist. Yeah. And your business name?
CEO,
Which company of CEO?
Okay, now you take like different Google, like
Google software.
Let's go.
Which is company of CEO, Mr. Rijaz? Which company of CEO? Which company of CEO? You introduce. You know Budu company.
The name sounds a little bit
Not a good. My mother language is not a bad word. Budu company.
Maybe, yeah, it's kind of so now we're
no problem, man. No problem.
So now
Be carefully. This time is drinking. Lot of drinking.